Good morning, Keller Williams, and welcome back to the KW Command 66-Day Challenge 10.0, and today is day 5. No need to adjust your screens today, and please don't judge me for this random assortment of apps from my phone. But today we're going to focus on the one that's in the bottom right-hand corner. That is our KW Command mobile app. You can download the KW Command mobile app from your Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You're just going to search for KW Command and then download that application. So we're going to start by clicking on the application. It's going to give us the opportunity to sign in, and we're going to go ahead and do that real quick. We're going to go through the entire KW Command app in a couple of videos towards the end of the challenge, but today we're really focused on contacts and how to add them in bulk from our phone. So if you can see at the bottom of the screen, there are 5 icons. The second one from the left is the silhouette of a person inside of a box. We're going to go ahead and click on that box. And this is all of our contacts that we've already previously created in the first couple of challenges. They've been pulled in manually. I entered myself, and then we imported that CSV file that Brooke Silva helped us with. Now I want to start bringing in contacts from my phone. So if I click on the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner, we call that the ellipses symbol, you're going to see we've got the ability to import contacts. Second one down, I'm going to click on import contacts. The first thing you'll do is say, hey, you're importing these to your personal account. Is that okay? I'm going to say, yes, that's okay. That only impacts whether you have a team account or personal account where you're looking to add those in. It's going to say, hey, Command wants access to your contacts. Are you okay with that? I'm going to say yes. Then basically it pulls up all of the contacts that I have in my phone. And you can see I've got 4,758 contacts. Now you've got a couple of options here. You can hand select the contacts you want imported, or you can import all 4,758 contacts. I don't necessarily want to do that at this moment. There's 2 different schools of thought. You can bring them all in and then clean them up inside of Command. Or you can be very specific about which ones you bring in and focusing obviously on the ones that are already cleaned up. So you'll know your database better than me. You're going to make that decision whether you do share all or select contacts. In this case, let's just do select contacts. I've got some sellers in here. Let's add in A seller, double A seller, triple A seller, and quadruple A seller. You can see it's going to allow me to check which contacts I want brought in. Then I'm going to click on continue, and it's going to say, hey, are you want to allow access to these 4 contacts? Yes, I do. Allow selected contacts. Now I have the choice. Again, now I'm back into Command. It's saying, hey, you want to import these contacts. Is that still correct? And again, I can choose which ones I want. So I'm just going to say select all in this case. And then top right corner, I'm going to click on continue. From here, we can add tags to these contacts. So if there's a specific tag or tags that you wanted to add to each of those, you certainly could. We can come in and look. We've got fake people. I'm going to make sure that that's connected because, again, these are all fake contacts that we're adding. And then I'm going to click on continue. From there, it's going to say, hey, you want to add 1 tag to these contacts. Is that correct? Because you can't undo it once you've done it. And I'm saying, yep, that's good. Continue. I get the little thermometer and it says, here you go. Now, if all of your contacts come in clean, you won't have this screen. But more often than not, I see that sometimes we do have some issues with contacts. I can say OK or OK and view details. If I do OK and view details, it's going to give me a text file that I can download and then review what happened. Now, I already know what happened with these contacts because they don't all have correct phone numbers or emails. So I'm going to click on OK. But I did get the one that came in. You can see AAA seller at the top there did come in. And sure enough, we've got the phone number, we've got the email, we've got an address. All of that was from inside of our phone, and it now came into Command. You can see that the lead source is automatically added as phone import. And I've got all of that information that came over from that actual contact, including that tag that we selected. That's it for today, guys. A very powerful tool, a very quick way to add contacts. With great power comes great responsibility. So I'd always be careful about how you're using it. If you do have several hundred, several thousand contacts, you might want to be very particular about which ones you bring in. Or you can clean them all up inside of Command if you choose to. But typically I've seen it be more successful if you hand select the contacts you want brought in. But definitely better than having to add them one by one. And certainly better than having to export them into some sort of CSV file and then bring them in that way. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you're having a fantastic day as always, and I'll look forward to speaking with you again real soon.